Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're cutting through the hype to get real about how businesses will actually make money with AI come 2026. We're talking real, strategic workflows.
Okay, let's just dive right in with a pretty stark reality check. As Ishan Sharma puts it, the game has fundamentally changed. If your value is based on just entry-level knowledge, well, the old ways of getting by just aren't going to cut it anymore.
And this is exactly why. According to Futurum Research, the honeymoon phase is officially over. The era of just playing around with AI, these little science projects, that's done. Now it is all about execution, it's about scale, and it's about getting results you can actually measure. Hype is out, performance is in.
And this brings us to a huge problem that a lot of companies are about to face, the renewal cliff. All those businesses that sold their AI tools based on promise and potential are facing a serious reckoning. If you can't prove your AI delivers real, tangible value, guess what? Your customers are not renewing. It's that simple.
So, how do you actually deliver that value? Well, it starts with understanding the single most important shift happening in AI right now. It's a change that completely redefines what is even possible.
So what we're seeing here is this evolution from passive tools to truly proactive ones. We're moving away from AI assistants that just sit there and wait for us to ask a question to AI agents that we can give a complex goal to, and they'll go and figure out all the steps to get it done on their own.
And this is the key concept that unlocks all that value we were talking about, an agentic workflow. Look, it's not about a single AI tool doing one little task anymore. No, this is about a whole system of AI agents working together across different software to replace entire manual processes from start to finish.
So the crucial question is, how do you turn these incredibly powerful agentic workflows into actual, revenue? Let's break down the 5 most effective strategies that are emerging for 2026.
All right, here's the playbook, based on some great analysis from business intelligence. We're going to kick it off with AI architecture consulting, then jump into synthetic commerce, niche knowledge as a service, monetizing your own data, and finally, the surprisingly profitable world of human-in-the-loop quality assurance. Let's walk through each one.
Okay, first up, high-ticket AI architecture consulting. Now, this isn't just about selling AI implementation anymore. In 2026, the big money is in selling the complete replacement of a super high-cost business process.
Now, this model is a total game changer because your success is tied directly to your client's success. You're not charging for hours worked. You're charging based on the actual value you create. The more money you save them, the more money you make. It's a win-win. Next up, it's time to say goodbye to the static online store as we know it. By 2026, commerce isn't just going to be personalized, it's going to be synthetically generated in real time for every single user.
I mean, just imagine this, an AI sales agent that not only knows a customer's entire purchase history, but can spin up a custom video ad just for them, offering a unique deal through text or even voice. That's the power of synthetic commerce.
Okay, the whole era of one-size-fits-all AI, it's fading, and it's fading fast. The real profit, the smart money, is now in highly specialized vertical intelligence that serves one specific industry with surgical precision.
And this just makes perfect sense, doesn't it? This illustrates the huge demand for reliable, industry-specific AI. Professionals will gladly pay a premium for an AI that gives them verifiable, expert-level answers they can actually trust without having to second-guess it. And we're already seeing this play out. This isn't just some future gazing. According to InvestX, the healthcare AI market had already blasted past $1.5 billion back in 2025. That just proves how massive the value and profitability is in this vertical-specific approach.
All right, moving on to our 4th workflow, and this is where it all really starts to connect. By 2026, high-quality human-generated data is becoming more valuable than the AI models themselves. Think of it like this. In the new AI gold rush, everyone's looking for gold, but the real money is in selling the shovels. And the shovels are data.
So what does this actually mean for you? It means that your own internal business data, the stuff you generate every single day, could be an absolute goldmine for training the next generation of specialized AI.
And finally, we've arrived at this fascinating paradox. As AI starts flooding the internet with content and code and analysis, guess what becomes a premium service? Authentic human verification.
This completely flips the traditional agency model on its head. You get to leverage AI for incredible scale, but you monetize the one thing AI can't replace: expert human judgment and that final stamp of quality control.
Now, it's really important to remember, these 5 workflows, they don't exist in a bubble. They're all part of a massive strategic battle brewing among the tech giants to own the foundational layer of this new agentic economy.
And this slide just lays out the battlefield perfectly. You've got OpenAI trying to control the interface, Google leveraging its massive ecosystem, and Anthropic building out a dedicated enterprise AI workforce. Their strategies might be different, but they are all converging on this one single prize, owning the agentic layer.
So, what does this all mean for you and for your business? Well, the single most important takeaway from all of this is a fundamental shift in mindset.
You have to stop thinking about AI as just a tool to save a little money here and there. You have to start seeing it as a product you can build and sell. And here's a concrete first step, something you can do today to find that opportunity right inside your own operations. So I'll leave you with this question. What workflow in your business is just waiting for an AI agent to take over? Because answering that, that's what's going to define the winners and losers of the next decade. The opportunities are right there. Thanks for watching.